Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to start a workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the workout menu. And once you open the workout menu, scroll through the list, find the workout you want to start, and once you find it, tap on it to select it basically. And once you select the workout, you can tap on go to start it, but also you can tap on this flag icon to select the goal for your workout basically. And you have distance, duration, calories, or open. Select the one you like, then tap on go. It will start the countdown, and after countdown is complete, it will start the workout. And here we have some data. We have the heart rate zones, steps, distance, calories burned, duration. We have also more data like heart rate zones and stuff like that. You can swipe left on the screen to open the music menu, and here you can control the music from your phone. So if your phone is hooked up to your watch and you're playing music on it, you will be able to control the playback. And if you swipe right, you have the pause menu, and you can pause the workout. You can resume it. You can also pause the workout by pressing the lower button. And if you press and hold it, nothing will happen. Okay, so you can just pause it and unpause it. And if you want to stop the workout, you can open the pause menu, press and hold on the hold to end, then scroll down, tap on end workout, and the workout will be stopped. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.